and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools at our tool website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the Throttle pedal depressor from Lisle Corporation, which is designed to hold the throttle at a constant RPM for repairs and diagnostics. Next is the Apex by BendPak swing arm tire changer. Designed to handle tough tire and wheel assemblies, this tire changer is equipped with a high torque electric turntable that provides constant rotation and speed control. Our third tool is a 10-piece quarter-inch drive metric RPT hex dual action set from GripEdge tools, which features rounding prevention technology that delivers up to 50% more torque on fasteners and up to 400% more torque on damaged fasteners, according to the company. Next is a SUNEX Tools heavy-duty long barrel air hammer kit, which delivers 2,300 BPM of hammering for bolt cutting, driving press pins, and knocking loose ball joints and suspension components. Finally, our last tool is the 8-piece metric insulated nut driver set from Dynamic Tools. This insulated tool set is made from chrome vanadium steel for strength and durability, with precision machine opening for an exact fit on fasteners. Thanks so much for joining us today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products pique your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured with our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.